Good morning all. Today we will discuss about the topic conversion of improper fraction into mixed number. One example, given an improper fraction 37 divided by 9, then convert this into mixed numbers. Then what is improper fraction? Numerator is greater than denominator. That type of fraction is called improper fraction. That is, how to convert this one? We will divide the numerator by denominator. That is 37 divided by 9. Then how many 9s in 37? That is 4. 4 9s are 36 and remainder is 1. Then we will convert this into mixed numbers. That time the quotient become the whole number and the remainder become the numerator, and this divisor become the denominator. Therefore, the mixed fraction as whole number is the quotient as the whole number, remainder as the numerator and the divisor as the denominator. Therefore, the mixed fraction is 4 1 by 9. Got it? Another example, 83 divided by 7. When we convert this improper fraction into mixed number, we will divide the numerator by denominator. That is 83 divided by 7. How many 7s in 8? That is 1. 1 7 is 7. Then 8 minus 7, 1. Bring down 3, 13. Then how many 7s in 13? That is 1. Then 1 7 is 7. Then 13 minus 7, that is equal to 6. Therefore, the remainder is 6. Then you know that the quotient become the whole number and the remainder as the numerator and the divisor as the denominator. Therefore, 11 6 by 7 as the mixed number. That's all. Next, conversion of mixed fraction into improper fraction. An example, 2 3 by 4. What is mixed numbers? A whole number together with a proper fraction is called mixed numbers. Then in its 2 is a whole number and 3 is the numerator, 4 is the denominator. That is, we will convert these mixed numbers into improper fraction. That time we will multiply the whole number by denominator plus numerator whole divided by the denominator. Once again, we convert these mixed numbers into improper fraction. You multiply whole number by the denominator plus the numerator whole divided by the same denominator. That is, whole number 2 multiplied by the denominator 4 and add the numerator 3. Whole divided by the same denominator, that is 4. That is 2 into 4, 8. 8 plus 3 divided by 4. That is equal to 11 by 4. You know that numerator is greater than denominator. That is an improper fraction. Then 11 by 4 is the. Next example, 12 2 by 5. In its 12 is the whole number, 2 is the numerator and 5 is the denominator. Then convert this into improper fraction. That time we will multiply the whole number into denominator, that is 12 by 5. Then adding the numerator 2 whole divided by the same whole number, same denominator, that is 5. 12 5s are 60. 60 plus 2 whole divided by 2, that is 62 divided by 5. Numerator is greater than denominator, that is improper fraction. Therefore, the conversion of 12 2 by 5 into improper fraction, that is 62 divided by 5. Today we will discuss about some problems related to addition and subtraction of fractions. First question, solve 2 minus 3 by 5. You know that 2 is a whole number and 3 by 5 is a proper fraction. Then find the LCM of the denominators. Therefore, in its LCM of 2, denominator of 2, that is 1. Then LCM of 5 and 1, that is equal to 5. Then you multiply each term by that LCM. First term is 2, then you multiply by 5. Next term is 3 by 5. Then multiply by that LCM, whole divided by that LCM. That is, first you find the LCM of the denominators, that is 5, and multiply each term by that LCM. First term 2 and multiply by that LCM, and you consider the second term 3 by 5 and multiply by LCM, whole divided by LCM. Then cancelling this 5 and 5 will get 1, then multiply 2 5s are 10 minus 3 1 is 3, whole divided by 5. 10 minus 3, you know that 7. Then the answer is 7 by 5. It is a improper fraction. Then you convert that fraction into mixed fraction. How you convert that? That is, you divide 7 by 5. Then 1 5 is 5 and remainder 2. Then convert this, the quotient become the whole number and the remainder become the numerator and the divisor become the denominator. Therefore, 1 2 by 5 is the answer. Then next problem, 9 by 11 minus 4 by 15. First you find the LCM of the denominators. What is the denominators? 11 and 15. Then find the LCM of the denominators 11 and 15. You know that 11 and 15 have any common factor. Therefore, you multiply 11 and 15. That is 11 into 15. 165. Is it correct? 11 and 15 have no common factor. Then you multiply 11 and 15. We will get the LCM 165. Then you consider first fraction 9 by 11. Then multiply this by that LCM 165 minus, next you consider the next fraction 4 by 15 into 165. Then whole divided by that LCM. Then cancelling 11 and 165, that is 15, and 15 and 116, that is equal to 11. Then you multiply 9 and 15, that is 9 5s are 45, carry over 4, 9 1 is 9, 9 plus 4, 135 minus 11 into 4, that is 44, whole divided by 165. That is equal to 5 minus 4, 1. Can you subtract 4 from 3? No. Then you take borrow from that, this become 13. 13 minus 4, that is equal to 91. Then 91 divided by 165. That is the answer. Next one, 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. In its denominators are 10, 5, 2. Then you find the LCM of 10, 5 and 2. LCM of the denominators 10, 5 and 2. That is common factor 2, 5 2s are 10, 5, 1, again 5, 1, 1, 1. Then the LCM is 2 into 5, that is 10. Then consider the first fraction 7 by 10 and multiplied by that LCM 10, plus you take the next fraction 2 by 5 and multiplied by 10, plus third fraction 3 by 2 into LCM 10, whole divided by 10. Cancelling 10 and 10 will get 1, and 5 and 10 2 and 10 and 2 that is 5. Then multiply 7 plus 2 2s are 4 plus 3 into 5 15 whole divided by 10. Then you add the numerators 7 plus 4 11 11 plus 15 that is 26 divided by 10. Then equivalent fraction of 26 divided by 10, dividing this by 2. Numerator and denominator dividing by 2 will get 13 by 5. You know that 13 by 5 is a improper fraction. Then you convert this into a mixed fraction. Then how to convert? Divide 13 by 5. How many 5s in 13? That is 2. 2 5s are 10, remainder 3. You already know that the quotient become the whole number and the remainder become the numerator and the divisor become the denominator. Therefore, the mixed fraction 2 3 by 5, that is the answer. Next question, 8 1 by 2 minus 3 5 by 8. You will notice that this is mixed fraction. Then first you convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. That is 8 into 2 16, 16 plus 1 that is 17 by 2 minus, then convert 3 5 by 8 to improper fraction, that is 3 into 8 24, 24 plus 5 29 divided by 8. Then how to solve? Find the LCM of the denominator. Find the LCM of 2 and 8. That is dividing this by 2. Let's become 1, 4, again 2, 1, 2, again 2, 1, 1. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Therefore, the LCM of 2 and 8, 8. Then you multiply each fraction by that LCM whole divided by LCM. That is, first you consider the first fraction 7 by 2 into 8 minus second fraction 29 into 8 by 8 whole divided by 8. Then cancelling 8 and 2, you will get 4 and 8 and 8 1. Then 70 into 4, that is equal to 68 minus 29 whole divided by 8. Then 68 minus 29, that is equal to 39 divided by 8. This is the improper fraction. Then you convert this into mixed numbers. That we will divide 39 divided by 8. How many 8s in 39? That is 4. 4 8s are 32. Then 9 minus 2, that is equal to 7. Then we will take the quotient as the whole number and the remainder as the numerator and the divisor as the denominator. Therefore, the fraction is 4 7 by 8. That's all. Thank you.